everybody. I am Baha Mar, so wanted to say good morning. I want to show you what I have going on here behind me. It's Baha Mar Flamingo Cay. So cool. We just got to this resort, so I'm gonna flip it around here. We just got to this resort, so you can take a little walk with me this morning and check it out. I have really been blown away. Baha Mar is kind of new on the map here down in the Bahamas, and it's actually made up of 4 properties. So the Hyatt takes up the great majority of this property. So they have 2 huge towers. Absolutely gorgeous. We just kind of walked through it. And then the SLS is over here in the corner, the little pink building. So kind of party vibe going on there. And then, don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not because this property is so huge. A little peak back there in the corner, the little white building, so that's the Rosewood, which is absolutely beautiful and amazing. But I just wanted to kind of show you this place. It's so cool. So just nice. They've done such a great job. So they have a little food court area going on there. And the pool is kind of behind me, which there are 9 pools here. I won't believe it. And then I'm going to give you a little peek at the beach because everybody wants to see the beach. So the water down here is absolutely amazing and beautiful. The blue color like no other. So very cool. So here's the beach here. I'm going to give you a little peek. Amazing, gorgeous water. And we have some little floats and activities out there for kids. So very cool. Beautiful little pier on the dock. A lot of chairs, umbrellas, and more food trucks. So yeah, they've done a nice job here. Really nice job.